Why is this tiny radio hacker's weapon of choice? HackRF One plus ANT500 review. You ever feel like you're stuck listening to just FM radio or watching your Wi-Fi blink in silence, knowing deep down there's a whole invisible world of signals, data, and frequencies flying all around you, but you can't touch any of it? You've got the curiosity, the tech chops, maybe even the YouTube playlists full of SDR tutorials bookmarked. But your setup? Total trash. You're either dealing with overpriced dongles that glitch like a bad 2000s webcam or beginner kits that break before you finish unboxing them. It's frustrating, especially when your potential is way bigger than your tools. That feeling of being blocked by tech that's too basic or way too advanced? Welcome to the radio silence struggle. Now crank that frustration up to 11. You've missed decoding mysterious signals by seconds, botched your first attempt at tuning into aircraft bands, and let's not even talk about your dream of building your own spy-worthy SDR scanner. Deadlines pile up, projects stall, motivation plummets, and you start wondering, is this all just hype? Are the SDR pros hiding something? Or is your gear just holding you hostage in the noob zone? You want to level up. You want a setup that doesn't crash every 5 minutes or throw you into the rabbit hole of sketchy drivers and unsupported firmware. Here's your escape route. The Nooelec HackRF One plus ANT500 bundle. This isn't just SDR, it's SDR unleashed. HackRF One is a beast of a software-defined radio that receives and transmits across a mind-blowing 1 MHz to 6 GHz range. Paired with the slick ANT500 telescopic antenna, this kit is your all-in-one gateway to hacking the airwaves. We're talking VHF, UHF, HF, public services, satellites, GSM, GPS, you name it. Want to analyze a DSB, sniff Bluetooth, mess with radio astronomy, or explore frequencies you didn't even know existed? Yup. It's all possible. And with open source compatibility, USB plug-and-play, and full community support, this SDR bundle brings the power of pro-level radio analysis to your hands without frying your brain. You'll love what happens next. The clarity, control, and creativity this bundle unlocks is unreal. Software like GNU Radio or SDR Sharp runs smooth. You can tweak filters, adjust gain, and dig into I&Q samples like a pro. Plus, the hardware's built like it means business, with stainless steel components, smart heat dissipation, and a molded shell that can handle the abuse of field ops or late-night hacking marathons. Even if you're brand new, setup is shockingly simple, and Nooelec's support is actually human, no vague forums or ghost email addresses here. Don't be surprised if you catch yourself scanning the skies at 3 a.m. It's addictive. In a good way. So what are you waiting for? Hack the air today. Thousands of RF explorers, hackers, researchers, and hobbyists already swear by the HackRF One and ANT500 combo. And with supply always riding the edge, this isn't your average Amazon speaker, it won't sit in stock forever. Get ahead of the curve and experience the full thrill of SDR, from 1 MHz to 6 GHz, don't miss out on the most versatile, open-source SDR platform on the planet. Click now, grab your bundle, and join the signal hunting elite. This isn't just tech, it's your passport to the secret language of the universe. Are you in, or are you still stuck watching static?